Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaurava Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 सर्वसमय कृपाल महाराज एवं चरण कमलों में अनंत बड़ी शासन
So we were hearing about the Chaitanya Shri Bhajan Ras Sishtayam, 6th Yam. So Rati is the sprout of the Bhav. When Rati is manifest in the heart of the sadhak, there are 3 internal and 9 external symptoms are there. So these all are the 9 external symptoms of bhava. So who has manifested the bhava in their heart, so these all kinds of symptoms we can see it seems in the heart of sadhak. Sound? You are carrying, there is no sound. It's not sound. Check. Now okay. Please check. Sound is okay. Check. Hare Krishna, please check now the sound is okay. Hari Bol. Hari Bol, it's okay. Is it okay now? So we have heard this katha also, that how Raghunath Das Goswami, so he performed bhajan. Mama ka sona. हाँ? पारंग का कर सकते हैं आप तो. And if you want to hear the Hindi voice, so Hindi telecast, so you can go on Hindi page actually. Okay, Didi. If you want to go on hear the Hindi sounds, so directly you can go on My Dear Most Guru their page and you can find there.
अपने
So Samutkanta, we were talking about the nine actional symptoms. So the Samutkanta, we have heard about Shanti, Avyarth Kalanta, Virakti, Manashunyata, Asha Bandhu, Samutkanta. Samutkanta is intense longing to attain one's desired object is called Samutkanta. This. So we have told about here the story of Vrittasur. The Vrittasur is praying here. And just like little baby birds, so he is an infant this time. So he is not able to fly. So mother has gone somewhere for feeding, searching for the food. Yeah, Hindi page is also available. You can go there. Go to My Dear Most Gurudev page. You can find there. Hari Krishna. So Vrittasur is saying, so this is not the comfortable eagerness for me. Jai Ho Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Just like a second example was given of the cow and calves. At this time of taking cow milks, so we tied the calves with the calves. So that calves all day night is thinking about when I will go to mother and will take the milk of her breast. So he have this kinds of eagerness. Vrittasur is saying this is not favorable for me. It's not suitable example for me. So just like the beloved is always think about the lover, so in the same way, so after thinking them, there were so many kinds of thinking them, they can get so kinds of unauspicious thing in their minds, thoughts in their minds, because there is deep condensed love, because there is too much love. So spontaneously bad thoughts comes in the mind. In the absence of beloved, there are kinds of many bad thoughts comes in the mind. It is spontaneous because it is nothing happened, but still we have so many bad thoughts in our mind. So this is the symptoms of, we have heard about this. That's why Vrittasur in the Vrittasur Upakhyan. So we have there is a Gopi Parito Bhav is described here. So now we are going to start the further katha in this present time. Now Naam Gane Sadaruchi. So there are many kinds of bhajan. Amongst them, Naam bhajan is topmost. Performing Naam Kirtan is the topmost. So we have. So we should have this firm that Naam Sankirtan is the topmost. So thinking that we should always perform the Naam Sankirtan. So to constantly chant the name of Hari with the faith that Shri Hari Naam Bhajan is the topmost form of the bhajan is called Naam Gana Sadaruchi. Taste in the chanting the holy name to have a taste for the key to have a taste yes, to have a taste for the holy name is the key kunji key. Here it is right, to have a taste for the holy name is the so
नाम रुचि का होने का परम श्रेय प्राप्ति क्या है, ये चाबी का है। जैसे चाबी देकर के हम खोलते, अतः नाम के द्वारा ही,
so by performing the Naam we can get the Bhagwan. That's why it is the key or kunji.
कहते हैं नाम जब रुचि हो
So when we get the taste in Naam, so we should understand that you have the key,
प्रेम प्राप्ति करने की या आगे हमें
Chabi. So you have the key for attaining love. Now you can open it.
नाम में रुचि होना इससे कठिन
It is very hard to get in taste in Naam.
नाम तो सभी करते हैं
Everybody is chanting holy name,
विश्वास के साथ
but who have firm faith,
करना बहुत
it's really hard. For performing the Naam Sankirtan by the firm faith is really hard. Everybody is chanting is here.
एक बार
Once
देवी पार्वती
Devi Parvati,
शिव जी के कहने लगी
she told to Shivji,
पतिदेव
"Oh Patidev, please tell me one thing.
सभी लोग नाम करते हैं
Everybody is chanting the holy name.
क्या इस नाम के द्वारा
So,
भगवान के धाम में
So by performing this Naam sadhana, everybody will go to the abode of Bhagwan."
शिव जी कहने लगे
Shivji was saying, Devi, look,
कभी नाम कीर्तन नहीं जाते
no, everybody won't go there. Because, why?
श्रद्धा रुचि के साथ नाम नहीं करते
Because they are not performing the name by the firm faith.
नाम तो सभी करते ही
Everybody is chanting the holy name.
है किंतु
But
शिव जी कह रहे हैं
Shivji is saying, I'm not saying, Shivji is saying,
नाम तो कर रहे हैं
everybody is chanting.
किंतु श्रद्धा और
But they don't have that Shraddha or taste or Ruchi.
तो क्या होगा तब
So what happened?
तो भगवान के करते
So what Bhagwan do?
भगवान का फल जो है वो देंगे
So Bhagwan always give the external.
नाम की वही जो क्रिया
So the external for fruits of the Naam, Bhagwan can give to the sadhaka. He can give dharma, artha, kama, moksha.
नाम करते हैं
While performing Naam,
तो नाम करने से
or who are chanting the Naam, so if they are not chanting the Naam with the firm faith or with taste, so Naam Prabhu give the material desires, and they fulfill the material desires of the sadhak, and they provide the material things to them for sense enjoyments, and then get them free.
नाम करने के फल जो कृष्ण प्रेम
So which is the topmost fruit of performing Naam? He never give. He never give.
हम भक्ति मुक्ति दिया करे प्रेम धन रास्ते में लुकाएगा कृष्ण जल्दी जल्दी प्रेम नहीं देते
Krishna cannot give the prem easily. First he gives the material things.
प्रेम से कृष्ण प्रेम
The Krishna prem, it's not, Bhagwan doesn't give very easily.
संसार की वस्तु
He gives the material things and he avoid him.
यहाँ तक भी
Even
लाभ पूजा प्रतिष्ठा आदि में देते
he give him so many prestige, positions.
सांसारिक वस्तु देकर
He give the material things and neglect him and avoid him.
प्रेम
Prem
तब देंगे जब
he will give then when there is too much eagerness towards Bhagwan, until he won't give.
क्योंकि धर्म अर्थ काम
Because dharma, artha, kama, moksha is just very inferior. It is the topmost inferior towards before love. So if somebody is satisfied with all these things, then what is the need to give higher things?
राजा के एक राजा के पास
Just like
राजा उदार राजा महान राजा के पास गए
if you went to a king, very broad-hearted king,
आपके अनेकों वस्तु देने के समर्थ है
so he is capable to give everything, many kinds of possessions.
तो आप राजा के पास
But when you came to him and asking, what are you asking to him?
संसार की
तो राजा तो संसार की वस्तु देगा ना.
कौन सा वस्तु मांगा राजा के पास जाकर के संसार की वस्तु क्या है? एक को जो मांगे महाराज
So you are going to him and asking, give me one thing.
एक
What?
राजा बहुत उदार है
The king is very broad-hearted.
अथाह
He has so much positions,
संपत्ति
so much positions here.
देने के लिए तैयार
He is ready to give everything to you according to your desire. But what he see,
लोग उसके पास जाकर के
the
कहते
people
हैं,
are coming to him and asking,
मुझे एक उम्रा दीजिए मैं समझ लो बोल
"Podu kya?
हमकी
Oh, please give me a pumpkin." and
महाराज मुझे एक
and he is capable to give everything, but you are going to him and asking, "Oh, please give me a pumpkin." Then the king is asked, "Oh my God."
खा के समाप्त हो गए।
So when you are eating pumpkin, it is finished in one day.
गए महाराज
And if somebody goes to king and asks, "Oh Maharaj,
संपत्ति मुझे दो।
please give me the highest position,"
राजा के लव
so Raja is saying, "Okay, please take. I give you whatever you want. I can give you money, here, many ornaments, whatever you want, you can take." So, but if you are going and asking for pumpkins, then what to say about that? In the same way, performing Nam Bhajan Sadhan, and Bhagwan can give the topmost thing, which is the Krishna Prem. He can give you. Nam Prabhu can provide you, but the material peoples, they are going to Bhagwan. What they are asking? They are asking the material things. Putram Devi Dhanam Devi. They are asking for son. They are asking for money. They are asking for the material things only. Give me that. Give me this. Give me that. Give me. So Bhagwan very merciful. He gives them. Okay, take. But if somebody goes to Bhagwan and he said, "Hey Bhagwan, I don't need anything. I just need your love only. Please give me your love." Prem dhan bina more. Hari bol. Why people doesn't get the love before Bhagwan, before Krishna? If somebody is asking why, because sansar, the material people doesn't know about the love. It's true. People think about Trivarga, Dharma, Artha, Kama. People only just know about Trivarga, Dharma, Artha, Kama. This is called the Trivarga, and they ask before Bhagwan only this thing. Dharma, Artha, Kama. So before going to Bhagwan and asking all these things, the material things, or they ask about their sense enjoyments things. They always pray for son, wife, who is not married yet. He came to Bhagwan. He massaged the door and put the 10 rupees in the donation box and asked, "Hey Bhagwan, my son got married, my daughter got married." So they ask these things only. But what is the fruit of that? Very, 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 very lowest. So further that, if some people ask mukti before Bhagwan, Salokya, Sayujya, they ask the Sayujya mukti. They would like to merge into the Brahmaleen, merge into the Brahma, and they think this is the topmost. Some people think this is the topmost. There are many things in the earth. What they want? Everybody wants to be merged into the Brahmaleen, and they feel so much proud in that. 1008 Brahmaleen Sant Mahatma. They always used to write this 1008. So they would like to submerge into the Brahma. They just think only. But above then, Vaikuntha Prem, which is called the transcendental love. Nobody wants that. Maybe the rare. Amongst the Corona, there is the rarest of one or two. Only they want the love. Because in this world, people doesn't know that what is love. Even the Advaitavadi, after getting all kinds of scriptures knowledge, but still they doesn't know about the love. They are not aware about the love. You have associated so many sons. You have associated so many sons. What they want, at least, I would like to be Brahmaleen, submerge into the Brahma. Aham Brahmasmi. Shivoham, Shivoham.
अद्वैत सिद्धि से कौन सा
They would like to be up.
प्रश्न उठता है
So the question arises here, why?
इसके ऊपर beyond
We, so beyond the Brahmalin,
liberation
beyond the liberation, Shwetadeep, oh no, Shweta,
beyond
Brahmajyoti, Brahmajyoti, beyond liberation.
मुक्ति के ऊपर क्या चीज है
What is above then?
कौन बहुत कम लोग
People doesn't know about that. They are not aware with that.
शायद आप लोग
Maybe.
मंदिर में आ रहे हैं
Maybe you are coming in this temple so many things, hearing the katha that we want Krishna love, Krishna's prem, Krishna's prem.
और दूसरी जगह में जाओ
And if you go somewhere
द्वैतवादी
to Advait, if you sit before the Advaitvadi people in their temple, then you will ask them that how we can get Brahma.
ब्रह्म साहित्य मुक्ति
So they will tell you about the Brahma Sayujya Mukti,
ब्रह्म में कैसे
how we can submerge into the Brahma.
ब्रह्मलीन का है ब्रह्मलीन का
Some people used to say Brahma Leen, submerge into the Brahma. But they does not know, they are not aware about that there is above than Vaikuntha is also there, but they don't want that because this is very confidential things.
इसलिए
So that's why
के बारे में नहीं जानते
they doesn't know about love.
आप जितने संत महात्मा के प्रवचन सुनो
If you hear many Sant Mahatmas lecture,
के बारे में भी बोलेंगे अंत में जाकर
they will
क्या
they will
बोलेंगे
they will talk about love, prem, but still what at least what they want they want mukti. They think that topmost is mukti.
प्रेम
Love, prem, what is love? They doesn't know. They are not aware about these
जड़ वस्तु के साथ एक समानता कर लेते हैं
because they compare with the material things, jad vastu.
ये प्रेम हो तो हमें सेवा करना पड़ेगा
That if what is the meaning of love? That if we have love, then we have to serve. What is the meaning of love? That we have to serve.
करने में बड़ा कष्ट हो
So and if I serve, then I will get so much sorrow. I will feel so much pain if I serve.
सेवा करे
If we serve someone,
तो बड़ा कष्ट हो
so we will feel so much sorrow, pain.
शारीरिक कष्ट होती
We will so bodily pain,
है
suffering, and massaging the feet, making the rasoi, and all the things. So there is so much suffering.
इसलिए
So in this way, they think
शरीर के द्वारा
that we are serving in this we are serving like this material body, so we are feeling so much pain. So when we go to the abode, and if we want the more, we want the love, so if we went there, so we will get so much pains there too. So this is the wrong philosophy. In the transcendental world, in the transcendental world, you get the transcendental body. So if you get service there, transcendental, they have the transcendental body there, and there is no pain, no sorrow in the transcendental body. There is no tiredness, there is no suffering in there in the transcendental body. So there is so much pleasure in this there in this transcendental body. Until we are not experienced with some things, till then we are just imagining. We are imagine that oh, there is a sorrow, there is happiness. So let's suppose somebody is cooking in this material world in the summer. There is so much hot. First is too much summer, hot, and second you are staying before the fire and cooking something for someone. So it's really hard. It's really painful for this body. So you are so much sweating that time. You are full of sweat. But in the transcendental world, who is cooking and who is serving there, so there is no bodily suffering there, because that body is transcendental. You have the chit shari, the transcendental body there. So by this transcendental body, so why the transcendental senses, if you are serving Bhagwan, so you will not feel like the pain of this material worlds. There is too much pleasure. Because how we can serve Bhagwan? What is the process to serve Bhagwan? By the transcendental senses we serve Bhagwan. That's why in the bhakti means seva. What is the meaning of bhakti? Bhakti means seva. You know the definition of bhakti? Yes, you should write this. While performing bhajan, gradually all the anartha will be destroyed. All kinds of designation will go away, and your heart will be pure. And all the senses get transcendental things. You will get the transcendental body and senses, and by the transcendental senses, so you can serve the Bhagwan, who is the master of Indriyas, who is the master of senses. That's why Bhagwan is saying Sarvavadi Vinirmuktam, who is free from, then he will be free from all kinds of designation of these words. So this body is our as a designation, is upadhi. This is a designation. This body is a designation. These all material senses, all upadhis, all designations. But by performing Bhagavad Nam and Hari Katha, so all the material senses and the body will be destroyed, and we will get the transcendental body and the transcendental senses also. Just like we have our hand, so in this way, so we will get the transcendental hand. We have eyes, so we will get the transcendental eyes. So we cannot take the darshan of why this material eyes of Bhagwan. So we can take the darshan by the transcendental eyes only. So at the time, what you will get? So you will get the transcendental body, transcendental senses, and by that you can serve Bhagwan. By that transcendental sense, chit, supernatural, transcendental, supernatural, chit. Supernatural, transcendental, but transcendental. So you will get the transcendental body, that, and by that transcendental senses you will serve Bhagwan. So that time you won't face any kinds of tiredness. But people cannot realize that, because that's why, because people are not aware with the prem. That's why who wants the love of Bhagwan? They actually doesn't know about what is love actually. Somebody is coming before Bhagwan, and why don't you want, hey Bhagwan, I want love in my heart. I want your love in my heart. They doesn't ask for that. They want, first they ask Trivarg, Dharma, Artha, Kam. And if somebody is a higher level, if he have little bit knowledge more than that, so what they want? They want liberation, the mukti. So what Bhagwan always treat them like that. Krishna easily can provide bhakti mukti. Krishna cannot give easily love to everybody. Why? There is a question maybe arise here. Because if I give him love, then he can tide me with the love. Bhagwan thinks like that. By the love, only you can tie Bhagwan by the love. Moksha. So by the Dharma, Artha, Kam or Moksha, you cannot tie Bhagwan. You can only tie Bhagwan by the love. That's why Bhagwan is very clever. He is very clever. That's why so he doesn't give anybody love easily. So that's why. So yes, he is saying that he always give the bhakti mukti. He give the material things, and he always hide the love.
कि भाई देखो प्रेम मैंने कहा था प्रेम की साधारण परिभाषा
Because what is love? I told you the simple definition. What is love? Love is seva vritti. If you serve somebody, so that you can bound him, you can tie him, so you can control him. Whatever you say, he will do that. If you are serving someone,
होता है कि नहीं है?
is it happens in this world too? You know, tell me.
एक सती साथी नारी
If
पुरुष को
if
कैसे
if a
वशीभूत
chess
कर
chess
सेवा की।
chess lady, if a chess lady
और कुछ नहीं
is serving their husband very nicely, and
एक कला है
she just have one color, one art, that serving. She has the serving tendency, and by the serving she can control husband. This is the process.
और पतिदेव को जब वशीभूत कर लेता है
And when she have
जो बोलती है,
when she have control the husband, so whatever she says, but husband always do the same.
देखो
Whatever she say, always husband do the same. So I am giving you the material example. A chess lady, a sati lady,
पहले क्या करती है
what she do?
पतिदेव की सेवा करती
First she served the husband,
है। और सेवा करती
and after serving, so while keep on serving, she control her husband, and after controlling, whatever she says, husband has to do that.
है कि नहीं?
It is spontaneous. It happens.
पत्नी के इसमें नहीं आते क्या बोले
Chakkar mein.
चंगुल में नहीं आते
First husband doesn't get in the prapanch of
वास्तव है कि नहीं?
the wife.
पति पहले क्या है
He is
पत्नी के
not
चंगुल
tied
में
with
नहीं आते।
changul kya bolte hain? He is not ed.
पत्नी के चंगुल में नहीं आते
Yes, he is not in the talks, in the things.
तो पत्नी क्या करती है
What?
पतिदेव को सेवा
Changul kya?
है।
First husband easily doesn't control.
उनके खिलाना पिलाना
I don't know changul. What is changul? Radha Kanti Didi, please help me out. What is changul?
सेवा आदि की तरफ पतिदेव को एक वशीभूत कर धीरे धीरे
So Gurudev is saying first easily.
है सुंदर मधुर वचनों के द्वारा है?
अरे बाइक चंगुल.
एक सती साथी नारी पति को कैसे
A
वशीभूत करती
chess
है?
lady, how she controls the husband?
पहले कहते हैं सुंदर वचनों के द्वारा।
First, by the sweet voice, by the sweet words,
सुमिष्ट वचन
words,
है वो भाषा नहीं बोलती
words, W.
है पतिदेव के निकट बहुत सुंदर
So she goes before the husband and speaks very, very sweet words,
फिर पतिदेव के सेवा
and then she serve husband.
है उनके जूते से लेकर के
She polished the husbands. She polished the shoes of husbands and do from tip to toe, toe to head. Every work she does.
रामायण में भी कहते हैं
It is said it is showed in the Ramayana when Ramchandra came into the court. So Sita Devi herself
पादुका को ले सकते
was carrying the paduka of
वस्त्र उतार
Ramchandra, and she was taking off the clothes. She is taking off the crown,
फिर पंखा लेकर के
and then she swing the fan.
है सेवा
So she is doing the service this way,
और फिर मधुर वचनों के
and then by the sweet words, she is doing laughing and joking, and then she's going to prepare many kinds of food stuff for Ramchandra, for his husband.
फिर जब विश्राम करते हैं
When he go to rest,
आदि क्या करते हैं दबा
when he is going to rest, so she is massaging his feet
पति जब तक संपूर्ण रूप से सो नहीं जाए
until he is not completely asleep. She is not taking food,
और कोई ऐसे आपको सेवा करे
and in this way somebody serve you, so you are depth of, you are rid of them, you are a
और उसके
depth of
फिर कहते हैं,
his,
उसके चंगुल में घुसा।
then you are tied with the aho with him.
ऐसे कहेगी,
So whatever she will say, you have to do that.
अच्छा बात करते
Is
हैं
it true or not? Huh? Is it true?
सारी काम विचार कर लेते
So if he thinks this material, which are material views,
हैं। सती साथी नारी
a chess lady, how she can tie his husband.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way, Param Purush, the Bhagwan,
उस परम पुरुष भगवान
So that Param Purush Bhagwan, how you can control him? By the serving tendency, by the mood of service, you can tie him.
सेवा के द्वारा भगवान को
Only by the service you can tie him.
और किसके
There is no other way.
इसे तो भगवान कह रहे हैं
That's why Bhagwan is saying to Uddhav, na sadati mam yogam.
न सदति मान योगो न सत्य न सदति मान योगो न संक धर्म उद्योगो न सत्य तपस त्यागो यथा भक्ति मम वशीता से भगवान कह रहे हैं
Bhagwan saying himself, hey Uddhav, listen to me. Na sadati mam yoga means you cannot. So the people who are yogis, they are doing the perform the yoga.
और उस योग के द्वारा नहीं कुछ
I cannot be controlled by the yoga.
न सदति मान योगो
Na sadati mam
न
yogam.
संक धर्म उद्योगो
Na Sankhya Dharma Udyava. So there is a Kapil Sankhya Dharma. I cannot be tied by that. I cannot be controlled by that.
युक्ति तर्क आदि के द्वारा नहीं
So by the argument,
योगो न संक धर्म न सत्य तपस त्यागो
so now I can be tied, the control by the austerities and the detachments. No, you cannot control me like that. Somebody says I am the Falahari.
मेरा क्या होता है
I am Falahari, so I can control Bhagwan.
मुझे फल खिलाते
So Bhagwan is saying, if you are not eating fruit, so what to do? You are eating fruit or not? Or you are offering the food to me or not? You are not.
नहीं खिलाते
You are Falari, but you are not offering food to me. Then what is the use of that? You are Falari.
कोई पयोपहारी
Some is Payopahari, some is drinking milk only. So Bhagwan said, what I take of this? What is the use of that? So some people do so much austerities. So Bhagwan said, oh, I am not happy by these all things. And also by the tapasya, the vairag, the austerities, I cannot be controlled. But whose perform is serving seva? If someone is serving me, is doing bhakti, so I can be controlled by him. Bhakti revaniyati. Bhakti means seva, the country. Who is serving Bhagwan, Bhagwan can be controlled by him easily. Haribo, Nitai Gaur. So Bhagwan, and no other sources Bhagwan can be controlled. There is no other sources. So the question arises here, what was that? Naam is the topmost sadhan. So in this word, so there are many kinds of Sant Mahatma. What are they saying? That I want mukti, I want the liberation, I would like to be submerged into Brahma. किसमें कौन संप्रदाय में हाँ in the Shankar Sampradaya who are the followers of Shankar Sampradaya Shiva they always give that priority to mukti what they say why they say 108 Brahmlin Sant Mahatma एक कथावाचक थे गुरुदेव वो रामायण करते थे उनके में लिखा था ब्रह्मलीन साकेतवासी अब मैंने कहा ब्रह्मलीन भी हो गए साकेतवासी हो गए कैसे पॉसिबल है ये दोनों चीजें साइमल्टेनियसली है ना राजेश्वर आनंद जी So they would like to be submerged into the Brahma. They just want liberation. There are in the Shastras, scriptures is said by Sayujya. So there are 5 points. So this is the Sayujya Mukti is called Brahmalin. Submerge, oneness with Brahma. Sayujya. The lowest. Yes. So what is the reason? So if we come to the Shankar philosophy, this is Am Brahmasmi, I would like to be Brahma. When he will be Brahma, then there is no need to service. If we become Brahma, then there is no need to serve. Everybody will serve me. Because
तो कहा था जो मुद्दा मैं उठाया था
the question arised here, so in this world,
प्रेम क्यों नहीं चाहते
why they doesn't, huh?
भगवान के भीतर प्रेम मांगते नहीं
Why they don't want love? You know, why the sadhak is not asking for love? Mahaprabhu is saying himself,
आप अपने चरण कमल की दास बना लीजिए
you can make me your slave of your lotus feet. I would like to be your slave. But what the wages I want, what I say I want, premadhan. I want the premadhan, the love of yours.
प्रेम धन है कि और सेवा
So premadhan means more service.
एक तो दास बना लीजिए
First you make me your slave,
अपने प्रेम
and then give me your mercy, and then mercy like love. Give me your love.
क्योंकि प्रेम तो जगत के लोग नहीं जानते
Because people doesn't know this material world, people don't know what is love actually.
बहुत विरले व्यक्ति
There are very rarest
प्रेम के बारे में
people doesn't know. They know about love.
और प्रेम की धर्म है सेवा
And what is the dharma of prema is
सेवा
service.
करते मैं सेवा करूं तो
And people think that if I serve, then I will be so much suffer. I will suffer so much.
इसे कष्ट क्यों करो
So then why should I serve? What's the?
शरीर में दर्द होगा
I will feel so much pain.
ये तो वास्तव जो प्रेम भगवान की सेवा में जो कष्ट नहीं होता है
So in the service of Bhagavan there is no much sorrow.
और विद्या तो अखिल क्लेशा क्लेशा उनके किसी प्रकार क्लेश की आपको अनुभव नहीं होगा
You will not feel any kinds of sorrow when you are serving.
जब आप भगवत धाम में
When you go to the Bhagavad Dham, when you go to the Bhagavad Dham and you serve Bhagavan, so there is no kinds of suffering there.
पहले तो
So I am doing.
ये कहते हैं अविद्या तो अखिल क्लेशा
Avigyato Akhila Kalesha.
कोई क्लेश आपको नहीं होगा
There will no suffering there.
Why?
Why? Because there you serve, so you will get the transcendental body. You will get the transcendental body there. So by that transcendental body you serve Bhagavan. So in the transcendental body there is no suffering. So here you are serving by the material body. You are suffering. You are making rasoi, making food stuff for Bhagavan. Listen. So in that word. So when there you will serve there, so according to your seva you will get the transcendental body. This is called the transcendental body. You will get a body that is called the transcendental body, and in the transcendental body there is no suffering, there is no sorrow. You will not be sick, you will not be ill. Jara, Vyadhi. You are up beyond from all these things. So by the transcendental body you can serve transcendental Bhagavan. So why? Where is this? There is no suffering. That's why it is saying first. Avigyata. Avidya means you will not be aware that I am suffering. No, there is no suffering. Avigyato Akhila Kilesha. But we are thinking here we are serving here we are serving, and then there we have to serve too. When I am making food stuff here, so I am so much suffering here. I am standing before the fire, I have to fight. So there I have to deal with the same thing, so I will be suffer there. No, it's not happening there. Actually you will get the transcendental body there, and by in the transcendental body there is no suffering. So this is the difference between transcendental and material. So that's why body people doesn't know that what is love actually.
प्रेम शब्द तो हम बोलते हैं,
Everybody is saying love, love, love.
प्रेम के बारे
But
में
what is love actually? Very rare people know. Very, very rarest.
ये प्रेम अपराधिक
Because of love is transcendental thing.
इस जगत में प्रेम है ही नहीं,
In this world there is no love.
इसलिए प्रेम के बारे में क्या है?
That's why who knows about love? Okay, you got understand? You understand?
काम और प्रेम में ही अंतर होता
This
है।
is the difference between calm or prem. Where there is sense enjoyment, that is called calm.
जहाँ पर एकमात्र कृष्ण सेवा,
When there is a service tendency, a service mood of Krishna, that is called love.
आत्मनिर्भर प्रतिभा जब कार्य हुई काम, कृष्ण इंद्रिय प्रतिभा,
Just for the pleasure of the Krishna.
कृष्ण
Just
सुख
for the pleasure of the Krishna. Krishna serving tendency of play for making pleasure in Krishna only. This is the serving tendency we must have.
जब हो जाता है, शरीर इंद्रिय क्या हो जाता है?
So when we get older, so we get our body is deteriorated.
क्योंकि उस जगत में आपके
But in that world there is no old age there. There is no old age.
उस जगत में कोई वृद्ध नहीं होते।
Nobody get older in that world.
और जब उसमें कोई जरा व्याधि नहीं,
So there is no jara vyadi. There is no suffering or oldness, old age or sickness, illness there.
जो वैकुंठ
In
आदि
the transcendental, the Vaikuntha Dham, transcendental world like Vaikuntha Dham or Golok Vrindavan, there is no sickness.
गर्मी में कौन मरते हैं? खाना पीना भूख प्यास नहीं लगती, भूख प्यास नहीं लगेगा।
There is no sickness. There is no suffering.
भगवान की
There is no old age.
चिन्मय शरीर,
Chinmay means that you will get the transcendental body. So what is the transcendental body? You are not realizing actually.
जैसे
Just like
चिंतन कर रहे, जैसे
if you are thinking about one thing, if I say
अच्छा छत्र का छाता,
I tell umbrella, please bring the umbrella. I tell you.
छाता कहने के साथ से आपके मन की ये मन में एक आकार आ गई।
So once I said the umbrella, so you are thinking, you are remembering about. There is a one kind of imagination comes into your mind that you know, oh, this kind of chhata, this kind of umbrella is. There is a big like a cloth. So you imagine it. When I said that umbrella, so in the same way you are thinking. So in the same way you are thinking about. You are imagine. So at once you are imagining about umbrella. He is talking about umbrella.
छाता लाने के लिए मैंने कहा
I told you about umbrella, so you won't bring the stick. You always bring obviously you will bring the umbrella because you are imagining this time only for umbrella.
चिन्मय है, चिन्मय के आप जानने से आपको क्या करना है?
So if I say it is transcendental, so what do you think about the transcendental now? Do you think anything? There is something you can imagine? You cannot imagine. I tell you.
ये भगवत धाम कैसे चिन्मय है?
So I tell you the Bhagavad Dham is transcendental. What is transcendental? What is the transcendental meaning?
आशा है, आप बताओ।
No. Do you imagine something what is transcendental?
चिंतामणि प्रकट सत्व से कल्प वृक्ष रक्षा प्रति सुरभि रोगी पालयंत लक्ष्मी सहस्र सहस्र
Haribo.
संस्कृत गोविंद आदि
Purusham tamam bhajami.
वहाँ पर समस्त गृह कैसे बना हुआ
So
है?
what kinds of all homes are there? Chinta, by the Chintamani. Every home is made by, have you seen the Chintamani? You have seen the stones only here.
मकान जो बनता है,
The home we are made here, it is made by the stones here, and there by the Chintamani.
चिंतामणि के द्वारा बड़ी चिंतामणि है कि
And then what is Chintamani?
देखा आपने?
Have you seen? Lalita,
चिंतामणि देखा
have you
तो
seen Chintamani?
आपने तो देखा।
How can I see? Lalita ji is replying, how can I see? By the university I can see only.
तो भी आप सोचा कभी?
So have you seen Chintamani? Have you imagined about Chintamani? I haven't seen.
ईंट पत्थर देखा है?
We have seen only eat pathar, only stones here.
द्वार होता है।
We have seen the sands.
और आप कह रहे हैं उदाहरण के
And now you are saying that all their houses are made by the Chintamani.
देख के जिसको तो आप देखा नहीं,
So how you can imagine about Chintamani? So what kind of imagination comes into your mind? Ah, Adbhut.
आपने इतने बहुत अच्छा
So you will say, oh, incredible, Adbhut. You will just imagine, but you cannot, imagine that.
करना आता है
There is no imagination comes to your mind.
आप इसको समझिए
So try to understand what I'm saying. Hey Bhagwan, what is what they're saying? I'm not able to understand.
जो कह रहे हैं चिंतामणि प्रकट शब्द से का
So try to enter in the Tattva Siddhants. If I am saying about Chintamani, so first you have to understand what is Chintamani.
वहीं पर जो अपराकृत चित्त जगत में
Oh Bhagwan.
उनके घर कैसे बना हुआ है चिंतामणि के द्वारा
So in the Vrindavan, their home are made by the Chintamani. So now you are thinking, what is Chintamani?
यदि कहते थे उधार के घर ईंट पत्थर के द्वारा
So if you say that their homes are made by the stones, so you can imagine, oh, just like here. But you said Chintamani.
चिंतामणि क्या है
And now you get to know, oh, what is Chintamani Maharaj? What is Chintamani? So this is called, after performing Bhajan and Sadhan, by the mercy of Bhagwan, by the causeless mercy of Bhagwan, then you will come to know about Chintamani.
कि कोई वस्तु अपराकृत
Because the transcendental, we cannot explain you by the words, by the birds. Bird. Word. By the words. So that's why Bhagwan is saying Nine Atma Prachona Chandrakti. Jai Ho. When Bhagwan mercy bestow his mercy upon you, and he will so then when mercy manifested in your heart of Bhagwan, causeless mercy, then you can imagine only. So because I told you there is everything is Chintamani, made by Chintamani, so first you have to see, so you need the Naina Atma, that's why I say. So nobody can explain you like here actually. So why you cannot understand these all things by the knowledge. Nine Atma Pravachane Labhina Medhya. Medhya means knowledge. Shrutin. Now Bahuna Shrutin means even hearing after so many times. Chintamani. You have Chintamani. He is saying you have again listening Chintamani. I told you the umbrella, so you will go fast and bring it quickly. But if I tell you Chintamani, then you haven't seen Chintamani. So if I say bring the Chintamani, how you can bring it? From where you will bring? Or you will ask what is Chintamani? Where you have put that? Where is in which market it is? So if I say there are some, if I tell you about bring the umbrella, so there is a market, so you will find it. So there is a Chhata Bazaar here in Mathura, so you will find umbrella there. There is an umbrella market here, so you will find umbrella there. So there is umbrella market, you will find the umbrella. So now you will say, if you are asking me that where I will bring, from where I will bring the umbrella, so you will ask, oh Maharaji, where? So I'll tell you, go umbrella market and bring from there. And now if I am saying Chintamani, so you will ask, oh Maharaj, from where I will bring it? First you will ask the Maharaj, from where I will bring it? So I will say you won't find it from except Vaikunt. So you will ask, oh, how can I go Vaikunt? If I tell you Chhata Bazaar, if I tell you about Chhata Bazaar, you will go by the bicycle, by barefoot, by the foot. But if I tell you about Vaikunt, the Chintamani, bring the Chintamani from Vaikunt. So how will you go there? So the cycle cannot go there, auto cannot go there, aeroplane, even aeroplane cannot go there. So how will you go there? So how will you go there? You will go by the mercy of Bhagwan. by the causeless mercy of Bhagwan. So that's why he's saying you don't know what is love actually. So prem is a thing which is transcendental. Everybody can reach until dharma artha kam moh. So beyond that there is Pancham Purushat, which is Vaikuntha, Krishna Prem. So Pancham Purushat, which is Krishna Prem, very rare people know about this. People know, but very rare people. Very rare, very rare. Very, very rare. Only Gaudiya Vaishnav. It's adding by me, not by the Gurudev. So that's why people who are going somewhere in other parts, they are asking mukti only. But what is above than mukti, that Pancham Purushat, Krishna Prem, the rarest people know about that. They are asking for Krishna Prem. On by this love you can serve Bhagwan. So what you need after going to Vaikuntha? So you need the transcendental body. So by the transcendental body you can go there. By the transcendental body you can go there only. So he won't. So when Bhagwan give the causeless mercy, best to mercy upon you, and manifest His mercy in your heart, and He will manifest all the tattvas in your heart, then only you can understand. So by your jnana, by the intelligence, by your wisdom, by your argument, you cannot understand. Chalo bhai aarti. Oh bhai aarti karo. So I tell you about Naam Gane Sada Ruchi. So what I tell you about how we can realize the transcendental things. Indriyo ke dwara. You cannot understand the transcendental by the material things, material body, material senses. The transcendental things we cannot understand by the material things, material senses. With your material senses, you cannot understand that transcendental thing. So the transcendental thing cannot be understood by the material things. So what you need to understand the transcendental? So understanding the transcendental things, you need the transcendental senses. Simple. So that's why by the material eyes, we cannot take the darshan of Bhagwan. What you need for taking darshan of Bhagwan, you need the transcendental eyes. Because Bhagwan is transcendental. He is Sachidananda Vigraha. Ishvara Param Krishna. So understanding the transcendental Bhagwan, the Sachidananda Bhagwan, what do we need? That we need the transcendental sentence. So first we need the ear. First we need to hear by the ear. Yes. First we need to hear by the ear. Wow, what a rhymes. Very nice. Okay, audience. First we need the ear. First we need the ear for hear. So first we have to hear by the ear. So you cannot take the darshan of Bhagwan by the material eyes. First you need the ear. By the Shravana, by the hearing, you can take the darshan of Bhagwan. So after hearing all these katha, so all the senses will be like transcendental, not transcendental. That will be like transcendental. Aprakartvat, like transcendental, no? Like transcendental. Aprakartvat, like transcendental. It won't be transcendental. It like transcendental, little bit. So Bhagwan manifested his power in there.
जिस प्रकार
just like
एक लोहा
you put iron
लोहा दंड
load on, you take a iron stick, it cannot fire anything.
किंतु उस लोहे के
But when you put that iron stick into the fire, so after some time what happens, that becomes like reddish. So that cannot iron, please understand, that iron stick can fire something. So in the same way, by performing the bhajan and sadhan, what Bhagwan do, Bhagwan manifested their power in the heart of the sadhak. So, transcendental power. So in the transcendental power, you get the transcendental senses. Then our all senses becomes transcendental, aprakartvat. That will be like transcendental, not transcendental, like transcendental. That called aprakartvat.
तदात्मता प्राप्त करना
That is in Sanskrit this thing, tadatmata.
वो oneness which is potential
So that is called oneness with the potency.
तब आपने दर्शन करा।
Then you will take darshan. Aho Hari
ये
Bol.
तो तत्व सिद्धांत
This is the Tattva
है।
Siddhant.
एक घंटा जो मैंने
So the 1 hour I told you the katha,
कैसे
then how we can take the darshan of Bhagwan?
क्योंकि जब तक भगवान की
Until because without the causeless mercy of Bhagwan, we cannot take the darshan of Bhagwan. Until we get out that like transcendental tadatmata, oneness with Bhagwan. So until we cannot take the darshan of Bhagwan, before that we are taking darshan, that is jar darshan. You see, he is stone, it is wood. So we just see only these things.
लेकिन भगवान की कृपा से
But by the mercy of Bhagwan,
जब
causeless mercy of Bhagwan,
सच्ची हमारी
when he manifested his power in our heart,
क्या हो जाता है
so all the senses will become like transcendental. Just example was giving of fire and the iron rod. So this is my meaning to say. Now please preparation for arti.
इसमें मैंने इस कथा को छेड़ा था
So that katha I told you, have you forgotten?
क्या बोला था
What I told you, you understand?
एक दिन पार्वती देवी
So the Parvati ji Devi asked to Shiv ji,
के नाथ कभी तो
"Hey Nath, everybody is chanting the name of Bhagwan.
क्या ये लोग सब
Then all will go to Bhagavad Dham." No.
शिव जी बोले देखो
Shiv ji said, "No."
जो श्रद्धा के साथ बात के साथ कर वो बात और जिसको श्रद्धा के साथ नहीं कर रहे
So Shiv ji said, "Who are performing the Naam in one by the firm faith, only they can go. They can go to abode of Bhagwan. But who are not performing and who are performing the Naam of Bhagwan without the faith, maybe it will get time."
देवी पार्वती बोले हमें विश्वास नहीं ऐसा नाम क्यों कर रहे हैं तो
So if you haven't so much trust in the Bhagwan name, then why we perform Naam? So he's saying, look,
लोग श्रद्धा के साथ कर रहे हैं
how many people,
तो प्रमाण दीजिए
I can give you the example, I can give you the proof. How many? Shiv ji is saying himself, I can give you the example.
सब कितने नाम कर
There are many people who are performing with this faith. I can give you the example. Well, how?
अरे काम करो
Okay, do one thing.
हमारे कुष्ठ व्याधि के बाद घर बैठा है
I am sitting here just like a leprosy person. Leprosy person. Leprosy.
देवी पार्वती
So Devi Parvati was sitting like a ordinary lady. So people are going for taking bath in the Ganga.
और देवी पार्वती
So now Parvati.
कहने लगे भाई तुम लोग गंगा स्नान के लिए जा रहे
So everybody is saying, Parvati is saying, you are going for taking bath in Ganga. So my husband has leprosy, so he cannot go. Do one thing.
हो मेरे पति के लिए एक
You can
लोटा गंगा जल लिया
you can bring a mug water, Ganga water for my husband, and please pour into the Shivji. Then all the leprosy will go away of my husband.
किंतु यहाँ पर एक शर्त
But there is only one condition
नहाने के पहले
before taking the bath. So what is the condition? Before taking the bath, you have to take that Ganga water, because he is staying so far. Maybe he is staying 10 kilometer far away. He is staying before the Ganga bank 10 kilometer away. So everybody is taking water from the Ganga. But after taking the bath in the Ganga, they are bringing the water for Shivji and they are pouring to the Shivji.
देवी कहते तुम स्नान कर लिया ना बोले हाँ
So he said, "You have taken bath." "Oh no, I won't take your water because you have bath already."
हमने कहा क्या
there was a one condition only. One has to bring the water before without taking white. So everybody is thinking that I will go 10 kilometer, then I will go 10 kilometer, I will come 10 kilometer. How will do that?
सुबह से शाम तक
So from morning to evening.
एक व्यक्ति भी नहीं मिला
Oh, रहने दो भैया.
जो स्नान के पहले एक लोटा गंगा जल लेकर के
So nobody was bringing water from morning to evening.
देवी बात शिव जी कह रहे थे
Shiv ji saying, Devi Parvati, देखा, look
क्या देगा
what you have seen.
बोले देखो सब लोग भगवान का नाम करते जा रहे हैं
Everybody is performing one.
और लोग कह जा रहे हैं गंगा स्नान भी जा रहे हैं
Everybody is going for taking bath in the Ganga. So it means everybody is performing the bhajan, but they does.
पवित्र हो गया नाम करने से हमारा ये विश्वास है इसलिए गंगा स्नान करने से हमारा शरीर पवित्र होता है
What
अब फिर
means?
क्या करें कुछ सोच रहे हैं
So all are going for taking bath in the Ganga, but they don't believe that we are, Gurudev कैसे simulate
फिर
you?
हमें फिर उनके सीट पर चढ़ा करके फिर आना पड़ेगा
So everybody is thinking that I will go to 10 kilometers far away, then come 10 kilometers far, the 20 kilometers then I will go 10 kilometers again and 10 kilometers come back. So 40 kilometers, 40 kilometers हो गया, 40 kilometers, 40, 40. That is that is 40 kilometers, 40 kilometers. Yes. How is it possible 40 kilometers? You know?
लोग कह रहे हैं स्नान करते हैं
That's why everybody is taking bath and coming back. So they think that we are taking bath in the Ganga. So they don't think that I am performing bhajan, naam, sankirtan, then I can be pious by that. No, nobody is thinking, nobody is believing like that. So if somebody believes like that, okay, by the taking the Harinam, I can be pious, I can be pure. So that's why Shivji preached the Naam Sankirtan, Naam Prachar. So everybody can be. That's why it is saying Mahaprabhu.
श्रेय कई वचन का वितरण विताप जीवन आनंद मोदी वर्धन प्रतिफलन परिणामता साधन सर्व आत्म समर्पण परम विजय
So if you get the trust, if you believe on Harinam, if you have firm faith, Harinam. So always chant the holy name by performing, with the firm faith. But it's really hard. First you have to take bath, then tilak, then you will take pour little bit hot water. Little. You told me that you have to give now according to yourself. So first when you get up from the bed, you have to chant the holy name. Then your whole body will be, pavitra, pious, pure. That's why in the Brahma Muhurat we should always chant the Harinam. No, it's okay. So when you get up and into the bed, you have to do Hare Krishna. So whatever, if you are chanting in the Brahma Muhurat, the Pratikal, early morning, that is incredible. When you chant, please, you chant before the Mangala Arati, before taking bath, when you are chanting the holy name, before taking bath even, no problem. When you chant in the Brahma Muhurat, then your heart will be pious and pure. So then, and if you are, and when you do all these formalities, like first you have to take bath, and then tilak, and then anik, and then on, then you will do Harinam. So all the. So it is said by the scriptures, when the sun is rising, so after the rising of the sun, so Maya always affect to that. But if you are before the sunrise, if you are chanting the holy name in the Brahma Muhurat, so that affect you too much. So that the sun is rising, so all the Rasik is coming. After the rising sun, so when you chant the holy name after rising Rasik atmosphere, so your heart will be get so much Rasik things in your mind. Are you getting? When the sun rises, so Rasik modes comes. Rasik means there are three Rajasic. Are Maya? What is dry this time?
वो शक्ति के
So if you are chanting the name before the sunrise, so that is called Brahm Muhurat. So that is called the Satvik mode.
नाम करोगे
And
वो राजसिक भाव से
so in the Rajasic time you will chant, so that will affect Rajasic. It's according to Maya only.
मैं अपने आप
Everything is happening according to Maya.
और जितने भी अंधकार से जाएगा और उससे जाएगा
So when all the
काम क्रोध आदि चित्त की
so all the calm growth, when that sun rises up and all the calm vikar comes in your heart. So that's why we should always perform the Naam before the Hari sunrise in the Brahm Muhurat.
देखो
Look,
आजाद पढ़ते हैं ना?
people used to do on Brahm Muhurat.
देखो बिल्कुल जो है 4 बजे है
The Muslim people do Ajan in the Brahm Muhurat according to their time.
क्योंकि समस्त धर्म शास्त्र में
Because it is mentioned in the every scriptures that we should take the holy name before the sunrise.
समस्त धर्म शास्त्र में
In all the scriptures on the religions,
सब धर्म शास्त्र में ऐसे लिखा गया
in the many scriptures written in the many religions that we should chant
पढ़ती पड़ जाता
we should chant in the Brahm Muhurat. We should worship in the Brahm Muhurat. Charanarvindam. So whatever you do in the Brahm Muhurat, so you will get the sattvic fall of that. We are Hindu. If you are not chanting in the Brahm Muhurat, so then will you do? In the Muslim Dharma, they used to do Ajan in the morning. They get up. They used to call. They used to tell, like I was hearing when I was chanting the name. They are telling there is 10. There is a 4 o'clock. There is a 4 past 10. Get up, do Ajan. They are saying like this. They used to tell in the mic loudspeaker. They are saying like this. When I was chanting, I was hearing that. And we are the Sanatani, and we are sleeping that time. How bad. We are saying ourselves Sanatani, we are feeling proud that we are Sanatani, but it's still, we don't get up at 4 o'clock. But look, what they are saying in the mic, you listen, whenever you chant in the morning, you listen that, oh, it is 4 o'clock, it is 4 past 10, get up, get ready for Ajan. They used to tell in the loudspeaker. Before the sunrise, 1 hour 36 minutes. Before the sunrise, that is 1 hour 36 minutes. It is called Brahm Muhurat. So if it is sun is rising the 6 o'clock, then we should always get up 1:30. So according to you, can do the calculation. So if 1 घंटा 36 minutes. So if the sun is rising at the 6 o'clock, so before 1 hour and 36 minutes, that is called Brahma Muhurat. It is there are many kinds of same rules in many religions. So if you are Hindu, you are Muslim, you are Christians, many dharmas are there in the many religions. They used to, every religion used to say, get up early in the morning before Brahma Muhurat, in the Brahma Muhurat, and chant the holy name. Okay, you got to know. So we should take this lesson that we are saying we are Sanatani, we are feeling proud, and we are sleeping on the bed in the Brahma Muhurat. So how we can be Sanatani? So being a Muslim, so they are following their religions. They are making get up everybody. They are waking up everybody. Oh bhaiyo, oh to bhaiyo, oh get up bhaiyo, oh brother please get up. It's 4 o'clock. So it's a time for giving Ajan. They are saying like this. So we should follow these all things. A Hindu must be wake up. So that's just like the Muslim is waking up everybody. That's why wake up everybody. Hey Hindu, utho. Hey Hindu, get up. It's get up at 4 o'clock and chant the holy name. Harinam karo. Okay, perform the Aradhana of your Ishtadev. So do the Archana of your Ishtadev. That's why it is saying, very nice shloka. उठो जागो। चलो भैया आरती करो।
हम लोग उल्टा करते हैं।
So we are doing adverse, opposite. Very after so much suffering, we came to the Mangala Aarti. We came to this Mangala Aarti. So much after so much suffering, we have taken sleep. It's really hard that star lar. So we are, cleaning. We are not cleaning our mouth. We haven't faced our wash, and we are standing before the Thakurji. And then after that, we go and sleep. Who? So people whole night FB, Facebook, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp. So when they sleep, they sleep at 3 a.m. and Mangala Aarti is 4:30. So how they can get up? So when we get to sleep after 4:30, very nice sleep. Some people used to say like this, yes, हाँ मेरा भी ये विचार. So they played whole night. They were playing WhatsApp and the Mangala Aarti. So if they won't come in the Mangala Aarti, so the Vaishnav will abuse that they come in the Mangala Aarti. So anyhow they have come into the Mangala Aarti, and after Mangala Aarti they ran away quickly and they get sleep again. Is it true? So they get sleep at that time and when they will come back, nobody knows. For 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, very easily they are sleeping. If you go to the bed early, then you will wake up early. If you get to the bed late, then you will wake up late. So there is a proverb saying, early to bed and early is right makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Hari bol. डिफेंड करता है ना कौन सा प्रेम. हरि बोल. उत्कंठामय प्रेम, विश्रम्भ प्रेम, विश्रम्भ साख्य प्रेम भी होता है. विश्रम्भ प्रेम, विश्रम्भ और एक होता है विवेक शुभ. सबको याद है. Okay, listeners, thank you for tolerating me. So now you can come on Hindi page. Okay, Hare Krishna. Thank you for tolerating me. If I commit any kind of offense, so forgive me. Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Premanande. Hari Bol.